One night will be sure they have.
Amibo media. Cho. Today now they don't carry and come say, Tiwa, he posts himself on Facebook, he posts himself on here. Some say he do something, he posts himself. Now na consign. Amibo media. Now na consign. That he do something that he like the post. He consign on the post. And again, no, I hear a story beauty collapse for Ikoyi and Lagos. And they hear some 21, and they hear some 25. Social media will see come their own now, saying 50 story building. People when they lost here, we never know how many wouldn't they because they never fix it that they hear 5, 6, 7. But make government come and say if you know say you get family, get well lost. Nah. But put away go count for them go make mistake. Because you can't go 500 millions, 500 millions, you go come make mistake, they start again. You know how we go can't go there. 1 million has no money for them. So my people, social media, I'm even no good. I'm even no good. What can I talk with you concerning? Remember to subscribe, drop your comments so that I will know my mind.